Hiya, just continuing on the ninja art tips related to earth, air, fire and water. The last one is water, which is what I associate with transparent paint and opaque paint, or just transparency in general with painting. So watercolors are a transparent medium, so the way that you approach them when you're creating one is completely different from oils and acrylics. But in oils and acrylics, it's really important to be aware of the transparency of each of the paint colours that you pick up. Once you are aware of transparency and you learn a thing called glazing, your painting can just break through to a whole nother level. When I first discovered transparency and glazing, I was just amazed at what I could achieve in paintings and how my paintings just kind of went up another notch. It was just a breakthrough for me. So the painting behind here, you can see is this is a white-faced heron, and in the background there's a lot of transparent colour being used, and it's only on the bird itself that I've used opaque colour. So in the book we talk, in the Zen and the Art of Art book, I talk a lot about how to discover which colours are transparent and which colours are opaque. So have a look at that. But also I'll show you this other one over here that is my Kookaburras painting, and I call it the Lads. There's a lot of transparent colour that's been used in here too. So I've probably got about half a dozen or a dozen layers of transparent colour being overlaid over the top of one another in the background of this painting. And it just makes for a really delicious jewel-like colour on the painting, I think. It's really yummy to look at in real life. Very different from when you're looking at it on a computer screen or a print. But the transparent colours, when you're playing with them with your paints, make such a difference in your painting. So I talk a bit about that in the book, as I mentioned. So if you have got a copy of the book, there's chapters on advanced colour techniques in there. So that's the roundup of the earth, air, fire and water ideas for art, for your painting. If you'd like to find out more tips and tricks or grab a copy of the book, then go over to the dojo at zenartart.com, and please like, comment, share, subscribe to the video so that other people can see it. Thanks for watching.